Right here you see on page 23, we gotta close you down.
I'm just a poor old Jippo logger, trying to make ends meet. Got equipment I gotta pay for, and a family that's gotta eat. But these guys from the Forest Service, every time they come around, all they do is look for something wrong so they can close me down. These pink-cheeked boys from the Middle East, it's the first time they've seen a tree. Yet they know more about logging than an old timber beast like me. They've gone to college and they've learned how to tie ribbons all around, and look up in their rule book for a way to close you down. We gotta close you down, fire danger all around. Right here you see on page 23, we gotta close you down. Right here you see on page 23, we gotta close you down. Somehow I made it through the winter months, fighting mud and sleet and snow. Now good weather's finally here and I ought to make some dough. But the Forest Service is checking me now, and you ought to see 'em frown. I bet they already found a dozen ways they can close me down. When them boys live their lifespans out and they meet their judgment day, if they make it on up to heaven, well, I guess they'll be okay. But if they go the other direction, they'll take one look around and say, Satan, look at the fire danger, we gotta close you down. We gotta close you down, fire danger all around. Right here you see on page 23, we gotta close you down.
Right here you see on page 23, we gotta close you down.